It's our first beekeeping experience. We have our veils ready. Here it is. Our first ever beehive called Queen Aggie. Tom has an actual beekeeping suit on and we're only allowed veils.
Because you haven't got a bee suit yet. Duh.
Look
No,
at that.
I'm the teacher.
Okay, so we need a beekeeping tool,
What calms the bees down?
a smoker. Essa is all good to go.
What do you need? Because if you're going to put 5 frames into this one,
Yeah,
what do you need to do with this one? That's got 10
empty
frames.
it.
Okay.
Now you're thinking. Now you're thinking. So let's move this one over here. And what we've got to do.
We need to put the beehive where that box was originally because the bees are going to get confused if they come back to their hive and it's moved. Tessa are going to do this now, so you can video. So we're taking out the 5 centre ones. The 5 ones in the middle. Good start. So we're just going to make the fire for the smoker. This is what is going to save us from being stung.
No.
There you go.
Bees no sting. Bees no sting.
So this is a smoker. It's going to stop the bees from stinging us because they think there's a
Why
fire.
does it stop them though?
Because they think there's a fire.
No.
They can't smell us.
It masks the pheromone that they release when they're threatened.
Masks the pheromone that is released. That's what this gets rid of. So Tom's given us a hand cleaning up the hives, as you can see, making it nice and clean, ready for the new bees for their new home.
Right.
Okay, so clip. I don't know how to pull them apart. Oh.
Okay. Well, you can use your leg against it. Perfect.
Nice, Tessa.
And you have a look at yeah, that's the feed frame. So the feed frames go to the outside, closer to you.
Nice.
The nectar,
What about the ones
like
at the top?
pollen,
I can't see inside them.
and I can see eggs.
Okay.
Larvae.
The eggs are like rice, aren't they? Okay. So
No
yeah,
queen though. So.
you're doing good because obviously, like, they're calm, you know. Yeah. And then that's all brood. So that's got new bees inside there. You see it?
No.
This one.
Oh yeah.
Like that, then they're just like trying to get away from all the smoke.
Okay.
If they're calm, you don't need to smoke them.
Okay.
So they're quite calm at the minute. Nice. What can we see? Look, they're chilled, look at them. Just landed on. Can you lift it up? Yeah, that's, what's that frame got on it?
Egg cells. Is it?
Just loads of wax.
There's loads of cells. Empty.
Empty.
No nectar or anything. What about this, the other side? That's probably got something in it, has it? There's quite a lot of bees. Lift it up, Em, I can't see. You can't see. So it's got, you see all this flaky stuff in there? Here?
Yeah.
What do you think that is?
Nectar.
No. Nectar's like turns into honey. What gives them protein?
Pollen.
Yes, pollen. Nice one. So that's another feed frame. You don't want to upset them. So it's equal at both sides. That's just my tendency. Make it equal at both sides. And there we go. I always like to keep this clean on the top, so then you don't, when you put the lid on, you don't squash any bees.
Okay.
And then, what are you going to do with the bees that are inside that box still?
Shake them in.
Yep.
Shake them in.
You just got to tap it on top then. You see where all of them are? So, no. So I would hold it by the handle. The handles are here,
Yeah.
right? And you can't just do that, you've got to tap them. Don't be a baby. No, 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 like tap it onto the box.
Oh.
So, like this. That's how you would do it, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Good job. So
Not
far,
scared
so good.
at all.
We'll close that up so they won't go back inside. Yep,
Yep.
there you go. What do you think we need to do now?
Put the lid on.
Do you reckon put the lid on?
I think we just have it open.
Give them some marshmallows.
Right.
This bee really,
These?
really likes me.
These, do you know what these are? Emma?
Varroa strips.
Yeah.
Varroa strips.
And what do they stop?
Varroa mite.
And where do we usually put these?
In between, like just like that.
You will usually want to put it where the brood is, right?
Yeah.
But these have already had these in for a long time, so I'll just keep it out of the way. Alright. We put these away in here now.
Yeah.
In old frames.
Okay.
Oh, thanks. There's a bee on this one.
Don't worry, just put
You
it
can
in.
shake it off. Give it a good shake. Shake it, shake.
Well, it's gone now.
And then put that strip in as well that you've just let fall. Okay, now you can close that. Well, they call it a hive mat. No. Do we?
So am I putting that on top?
Which one?
This one?
Which way round though?
That way.
Nope. You put the white bit towards the bees.
Okay.
Yeah. Put that on top.
But you just did that, didn't you?
It's still on your hat, in your veil. And then what next?
That.
What's that?
The lid. Put the lid on. Do you want to put the lid on?
Go on,
Yeah,
grand
go on,
finale.
do
Go
it.
on, Tessa.
We do it together.
Okay.
Yes. Oh.
Oh.
Squash right down. Awesome.
There we
Yeah.
go.